Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So tonight I want to talk about Take-Two interactive software. For this one, I'm looking at a potential earnings trade on Monday. Now I know today's Thursday, but might as well look towards Monday because we had a really nice move in ATVI after the close. So ATVI reported after the close, and we have about between a 2 and 3 times expected move on this report. Really nice move. It is coming down a little bit after hours from the initial move here. But basically, I'm looking at the move in ATVI and kind of carrying that over to TTWO because, I personally just think that people are buying a lot more video games than normal, just due to the overall pandemic, stuck at home. Even me, myself, I've never really been a video game person, but lately I've found it's a way that can definitely entertain you for a couple hours. So I think that this is going to go higher after the report. And for that reason, I'm looking at a couple different trades. Now, I also want to note that I have been using Likefolio data, which is pretty awesome, by the way, and they're pretty bullish on it. I just did a webinar with them today, which is going to be sent out to their members on Sunday, which is pretty cool. But basically, their social data is in confluence with this overall idea. So what I'm looking at is doing a couple different trades. Usually, if I have some conviction, I do 3 different trades. Number 1, I do a bullish put credit spread, and I sell that at the money. So I can't tell you what strikes it's going to be until Monday at the close because, well, that's where I'd sell it. But I would sell it at the money, 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, and I would just be looking for, this thing to trade higher and to profit off of the IV crush and theta decay. Next, I like an unbalanced fly. You can do an unbalanced fly, a 1-3-2 ratio, buy 1 put, sell 3, buy 2 more puts, and put those short puts right around your key area of support right here. So that would be anywhere between 195 and 200, just depending on where it's trading. Generally, if you put it a little bit lower, that's going to give you a little bit more room for the actual report. If it pulls back a little bit, it's going to be a little bit more conservative. But if you do it at the money, then it's, you're going to get a better credit. So I like that. And then the third idea is then targeting an upside level. So when I have a high bit of conviction, I will also put a bullish butterfly, just 1, 2, 1, just a regular balanced fly, targeting a key area here. So that is a third trade that I'm looking at overall. Now, I can't really give you the exact prices and strikes and all that good stuff because all of that is going to depend on where it's trading on Monday. However, I wanted to let you know that, due to the move in ATVI, and by the way, there's a potential with this one that we could get a nice momentum move out of it tomorrow. We'll have to see, if this gap up holds, and if you get a nice 15-minute range breach, then it possibly could be a momentum trade tomorrow. But as of right now, I'm just going to take off my bullish put credit spread that I sold on this and, take profits on that. So if you want to learn more about earnings, data that I use, how I trade earnings, all that good stuff, go to simplertrading.com/wave. That's going to be WAVE. And I'm going to be having a webinar with Landon Swan on February 18th. We're going to be talking about, how we trade earnings, and specifically how I use and how he uses Likefolio. He is, after all, the co-founder of Likefolio, to make better earnings trades. All right, so other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your night, and I will see you in the next one.